Hey everyone, ladies and gentlemen, it's John here on my news desk, prop trading desk. Do me a favor, give my videos a like and a share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Today is Friday, November 8th, 2024. Exciting news. Let's go over geopolitical news first, then socioeconomic, and then if you stay with me to the end, you receive my trading plan as a bonus. So it's not financial advice, but sit tight. Let's look at the news headlines here first. The major news headlines for the day. Exciting. So, a lot of news, it says here BBC Susie Wiles, who is Trump's new chief of staff. NBC News is reporting Trump will name more conservative judges. He may even pick a majority. So that's news there on NBC. CNN, it says here, we barely made it out. Californians desperately flee their homes amid raging forest fires. CBS, Israeli soccer fans attacked in Amsterdam with 5 reportedly hospitalized. And The Independent is reporting that Ukraine-Russia war live. Putin hails courageous Trump as Zelensky is making comments. And Rolling Stone, Trump reaffirms determination to carry out mass deportations. So immigration heating up, we got the new election, happening. So let's look at, now we've gone on geopolitical, let's look at socioeconomic here. So what's being reported on bar chart? S&P futures are off fractionally, crude oil's off about 2%, gold's up fractionally, flat. So stock index futures are muted as Fed's rate cut. So it's not being really covered that much about how the Federal Reserve had lowered interest rates. It's usually a big news story. Stock markets today, U.S. markets subdued early Friday on their way to another week of big gains. And it's, China approves $840 billion plan to refinance local government debt and boost slowing economy. So the world economies, Europe, Germany, they're not doing well, and now the world central banks are lowering interest rates. Czechoslovakia lowered their interest rates yesterday, the U.S., China. So they're, that inversion and then uninversion of the yield curve. Been talking about that recently here. So let's look at the major markets first, all right? So S&P E-mini off 5-6 points. NASDAQ 100 mini. Stock market's going to open in about 15 minutes. NASDAQ's off about 63 points. Dow future minis up about 25 points. The VIX is off again at 15 spot 630. Lower VIX, less volatility. US dollar, the Dixie 104 spot 600. The 10-year at 110-080. Crude oil is off about $1 at 71 spot 44. Nat gas at 2 spot 68. Gold is up at 27.09. Silver's hanging in there great. Had a dip on silver, 31.90. So that's what we got. Stock market leaders. Nvidia, again, I own stock shares in almost all of these stocks we're going to talk about. Nvidia, Tesla's up. MicroStrategy's up. Super microcomputer, has been active. Taiwan Semiconductor, Airbnb up, Alibaba active, KLA 10 core, Eli Lilly up again, 3M active. So that's being reported on bar chart. Now stay with me to the end. Do me a favor, give my video a like and a share. It helps with the algorithm. So on Yahoo Finance is being reported, investors dial back Trump trades as policy questions persist. After an initial stampede into the Trump trade, investors in some asset classes are tapering their enthusiasm. S&P and NASDAQ dip from their records as Trump trade fizzles. Powell says Trump couldn't fire him even if he tried. We shall see. Trump win drives 20 billion surge into U.S. stocks. Treasury set for the best week in 2 months after Trump whiplash. Icon Enterprises cuts her dividend by 50% to boost CVR energy stake. So IEP is off. Yeah, I don't know. Is that stock going to go to zero? Perhaps a good short sell on Icon Enterprises, not financial advice. Amazon is in talks to invest billions more in AI startup Anthropic. U.S. businesses strike China deals in shadow of Trump victory. And it says China greenlights $1.4 trillion debt plan to boost economy. Wow, man, amazing. Time for a coffee break. Man. Global money market funds saw largest inflows on election caution. Europe's banks brace for tougher competition under Trump 2.0. U.S. money market funds saw significant demand before U.S. election. Trump adds to internal strife hiding EU competitiveness. So this is, we got a lot of news on geopolitical. Nvidia enters the Dow, Airbnb and Pinterest fall after earnings. So, welcome to Nvidia and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So this is what we have on Yahoo Finance. Now on to my trading plan. So again, not financial advice. You have to read my risk disclosures below. Not a financial advisor, informational purposes only. I'm an entertainer. Tezos, I own Tezos. Cryptocurrencies first. Tezos, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So my Ethereum position has almost returned to profitability. I was off 20% in it. So I own Tezos, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. My plan is to dollar cost average Bitcoin every day. S&P 500 ETF, I'll purchase it every day. I'm profitable on it. And up about 3% on SPY ETF. And then I will BKCH, the blockchain ETFs. Took huge profits in those this week. Squared off huge profits in BKCH, the Global X funds. Didn't sell the entire position, so I'll continue to dollar cost average. Blockchain ETFs, BKCH, and Block, BLOK. They own these great stocks in there like Visa and PayPal and MicroStrategy. So that's what we have there for my trading plan. Again, dollar cost average Tezos, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and then Bitcoin. Waiting for Ethereum to it's off 1% for me. So I'm gonna really step up my increase purchases of Ethereum once it becomes profitable. So that's what I have. That's my trading plan. Give me a like on my videos. I appreciate it. And my channel's getting a lot of traction. And so I want to welcome all my new viewers. So check it out. Tell me what you think. And let's get the word out. Give my videos a share. So that's what I have for today, everyone. The trend's your friend. Always trade in the direction of the trend. It's John. I'm on my news desk and prop trading desk. And have a wonderful, great day. Thanks.